How to remove section breaks in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect method. So let's start with the video, guys, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word Google Docs application, and here you can see we have two section break, which is section break continuous and section break next page. Okay, section break continuous means the section break will be happening same page, and or the section break next page means it will be break on next page. Okay, so that is how it's work. Okay, so visible to section breaks, we need to go on view and go to the show non-printed character. So whatever section breaks on your page, it will be show like this. Now what you need to do to delete this, just click on last contain or text above section break and hit the delete, then the section break will be delete. Okay, same for next page. Hit the, keep the cursor on the last text or paragraphs and hit the delete, then the section break will be delete. Okay, now you go again here in view and go to the show non-printed character, disable it, then all non-printed character will be disabled. Okay, so that is how we can remove the section breaks on my Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.